Hello again. This is Christopher Hooper, Google certified photographer with the Google Maps Street View program. And I am showing this video to you today because a lot of people have been asking me to assist them with getting their Google Maps Street View tour onto their Facebook page. So I thought that I would make this video just to kind of help you out a little bit. If you don't know what Google Maps Street View is, it's a newer module. It's part of the Google Maps program, and it's intended to assist businesses in displaying their goods and services in a way that is unique to mobile visitors and to desktop users, and really gives the end user, a chance to see the inside of the business. And you can find all kinds of information about it online, or you're more than welcome to visit my personal uh, website, which is digitalbusiness360.com, and I have plenty of information there all about the program and what's involved uh, and how to get started on it and whatnot. So, but that's another story. So this lesson here is about Facebook. So this is my Facebook page here, which is I recommend you sign into your Facebook now and then do a search for my Facebook page. You'll see South Florida Trusted Photographers is the a good search for it. It should show up, but you can type it in directly in the address bar at the top. It's facebook.com/Google Trusted Photographers Florida, and that's going to give you the page itself, where you can find all kinds of samples and information about the program. But most important is on the left-hand side of my Facebook page, you'll see that I have different tabs, so you can look at photos and posts and whatnot. But the most important one there that we're talking about today is the top one. It says Google Virtual Tour. So go ahead and click that. And the reason I want you to click that is because this now displays what's called a custom tab for Facebook. And embedded into the tab is this Google tour, and that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, and I've already taken the liberty of putting a link underneath this for you, and you can see right there, add your own Google Maps Street View to your Facebook page. So if you click that, you are now taken to it's a partner app page on Facebook. The company, what we're doing is we're adding it's called a WooBox custom tab. That's what we're adding. So this is the information about that, and you can see the name WooBox there. And all you have to do is just click this big green button that says Install Page Tab. And now it's going to ask you which page you would like to install this tab onto. So I'm sure that you manage not just one page, maybe you manage a few different pages. So you want to scroll down to the page that you'd like to include it on. So this particular time, we will put it on, let's see here. We'll add this tab to virtual tours for yachts. No, even better, Sundream Yachts. It's one of the ones that I manage. So Sundream Yachts is going to be the page that we're going to add the tab to. Okay, so add page tab. Okay, and now the tab is now added. It's by default, it's called welcome, so it's the welcome tab that you see down here. But you have some options that you can enter now at this point if you wanted to, like if you want to show the share button at the top of the tab. Um, Here, the second box down is the most important one, and this is where you would add HTML code to your tab if you wanted to add HTML code. And that's exactly what we're going to do, is we're going to add an embed code. So you want to do that. So you might want to make sure that HTML is selected, and this is where we're going to enter it. But let's get the code together first. So Sundream Yachts. So what you do is you go to Google Maps. If you don't know how to do that, then just type in maps.google.com, and you'll be taken to the default Google Maps. And then in the top search box up at the top left-hand corner, you type in the business that you're looking for. So in this particular instance, we're looking for Sun Dream Yachts. Oh, there it is. Whoops. Sun Dream Yacht Charters. And you can see there where it's been added. Okay, so now we have Sun Dream Yacht Charters. Okay. And then they have their basic business information here on the panel on the left-hand side. But more importantly, they have these three images down here. These are the see inside images. So we're just going to click on one of the see inside images, and we're on board one of the yachts now. So just get a nice view that you like, that you want to show in your Facebook page. Okay, so that's a good view, all right, that we're going to do. And then in the top left, you'll see these three dots. This is a menu. You can click on that and open that, and then you're going to slide down to Share or Embed Image. Okay, so once that is clicked, a little dialog box pops up, and that's a share link. Like if you want to send it to someone in an email or something like that, or if you just want to kind of share it in a post, you can even click that and shorten that URL. Or you can click the second tab, which is embed the image. So this is what we want to do. We want to embed the image, and you actually get a choice here. You can select if you want a small, a medium, or large, or if you want to customize the size of your box. It doesn't really matter. We'll just say large for now. Okay. And then you get the box. They show you this box here. Okay. That's kind of like a little preview. But most important is the code. Okay. So if you select the code and then just copy that to your clipboard. Okay. And now you go back to the Facebook page where we were installing. There we are on Sundream Yachts. This is back in the HTML box now, and you paste that code into the box. Okay, and then you have a couple of other options that you can do down here. I haven't really explored these too much. I think this is really just kind of tracking stuff. You can track it or share it. There's these kind of options. Let's see, and then the tab name. You want to name your tab. Okay. Right now, it's by default, like I said, it's called Welcome, but we're going to change the name to Tour Our Yachts. Okay, that'll be the name of the tab, and then you click Save Settings. Okay, now it's asking. Now this is a permission request because this is a third party. This WooBox tab is a third party, so it's asking. Do you want to let this third party to have access to your tab, to your page? And you kind of have to if you want to use their tool. And you're more than welcome to explore exactly what they use and how they use it and whatnot with them. It's pretty much I think it's fine. It's just they just want to just say hey that they want to display their information on your page. So that's fine, and grant permission. And then this happens sometimes. You're going to get this error here that says URL blocked, URL blocked. This is a redirect fail. This is just a security issue with Facebook. Just say okay, that's fine. You don't really even need that. What I do, this has happened to me a couple of times, so if it happens to you, I don't want you to freak out. It's pretty much done. It's already added. So you can actually go back to your Facebook page now where you were. Let's go to that page now. You didn't have to be on the page. Where's my Sundream Yachts page? Pages. No, your pages. There we go. Sundream Yacht. Okay. Okay, so here you are on the page now for Sundream Yacht. And you'll look on the left-hand side, and you'll see the tabs. And even though I know we named the tab, this is just a little buggy. You just got to understand it's a little buggy. That's all. Is the Welcome tab. So that's the one that we just created. It's still by default called Welcome, but you can change that. You got to click on the tab itself, and then you go in. Now you can see the tab. We're going to change the name of the tab from Welcome, and we're going to change the name to the one that we wanted, which is in the top left, you can see the tab settings there. Click on tab settings. This is where you change the name of the tab. Okay, so we're going to change the name of the tab to Tour Our Yachts. Okay, that's fine. I already had it. And you can even, if you wanted to, you can even change your image that's displayed for the tab. So I'm going to just go ahead and do that right now. And you can do that by simply, you can just look at your screen and do a screen capture or whatever you want to do, and just grab the screen, just some image that you want, and then just save that. I use the snippet tool. You can use the snippet tool, whatever you want. Okay. So I just saved that to my desktop, and back on, whoops, here I am. Okay, on the settings, you click those settings, and you were on the Woo box, and we were on the tab settings. Okay, we changed the name to Tour Our Yachts. Okay, and we're going to change the picture to the one that we just captured. Okay, save those settings. Okay. Now, if you go back to your page and refresh it, you'll see that now the welcome has changed to Tour Our Yachts. And I'm going to even I want to move that up towards the top. So I can click on Manage Tabs. Okay. And here's my tabs. And I can just move that. I can literally click and drag, move that up towards the top. Okay. So it's one of the main tabs. And it updates. You don't have to save that. It updates automatically. If I go back to the page now, you'll see that Tour Our Yachts is now at the top of my page. Okay. So that's how to add the Google Maps Street View tour to your Facebook page. You can see it's super easy to use. Okay, and you've got it in there now. All right, kind of cool. You can click around and move around the yacht and do whatever you want to do. Okay, you get the idea. And that's it. It's kind of a useful tool. So I hope my video was helpful and helped you figure out how to do that. Don't forget, you can always visit my studio website, which operates out of Florida, but we help the whole U.S. with the Google project. But you can visit our website, our studio website at blueravenstudios.com, where you can see all kinds of services that we do offer, everything from video production, for YouTube videos, Google Maps Street View, interactive virtual tours, drone aerial photography, any kind of interactive media content, including website development, and also we help some customers with SEO. So we do a lot of things. So we're a pretty good team, and if we can help you out with anything else, please feel free to give us a ring. All right, talk soon, and I hope you enjoyed the video.